Dear students, I am Dr. Sasikant Amrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching fluid machinery in BE 5th semester. Today we will solve some numerical. The cylinder of a single acting reciprocating pump is 15 cm in diameter and 30 cm in stroke. The pump is running at 30 rpm and discharge water to a height of 12 meter. The diameter and length of delivery pipe are 10 cm and 30 meter respectively. If a large air vessel is fitted in the delivery pipe at a distance of 2 meter from center of pump, find the pressure head in the cylinder. First, at the beginning of delivery stroke, second, in the middle of delivery stroke. Take F equal to 0.01. Here the data given are diameter of cylinder, is given as 15 centimeter, .15 meter. So area equal to pi by 4 b square pi by 4.15 square. So this area comes 0.01767 meters square. Stroke length is given 30 centimeter, 0.3 meter. So crank radius is L by 2 equal to 0.15 meter. Speed of pump is given 30 rpm. So angular speed omega equal to 2 pi n by 60, 2 pi 30 by 60 equal to pi radian per second. Delivery head HD equal to 12 meter. Delivery diameter DD equal to 10 centimeter equal to 0.1 meter. So area AD equal to pi by 4.1 square equal to 0.000754 meter square. Length of delivery pipe L equal to 30 meter. Length of air vessel from center of cylinder, that is LD dash equal to 2 meter. Length of delivery pipe above air vessel is equal to LD is equal to L minus LD dash. These are L. So it is 30 minus 2 equal to 28 meter, and coefficient of friction is given 0.01. Now, the pressure head in cylinder at the beginning of delivery stroke is given by the equation pressure head in cylinder beginning of delivery stroke is given by the equation. This pressure head equal to HD plus L dash D by G into A by AD omega square R plus 4 FLD by DD 2G into LSD by A by AD, this is multiplied by A by AD into omega R by pi square plus 1 by 2G A by AD into omega R by pi square. This is the pressure head. Putting the values here, SD is 12 plus 2 by 9.81, 2 by 9.81 into area we have calculated is 0.01767 by this small area is 0.00784 into omega we have calculated, this is pi radian pi square into L is 0.3 plus 4, F is 0.01 into LD is 2 by DD is 0.1 into 2G 9.81 into A 0.01767 by 80.007854 into omega is pi, R is 0.15 by pi, this square pi cancel, plus 1 by 2 into 9.81 into 0.01767 by 0.00854 in pi 0.15 by pi, this pi are cancelled, square. Now this is equal to 12 plus 0.6709 plus 0.065 plus 0.0058. So all this comes 12.75 meter. 12.75 meter is the pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning of the V-stroke. Second, the pressure head in the cylinder at the middle of the V-stroke the middle of the V-stroke is equal to HD plus 4FLD dash by DD into 2G A by AD into omega R square plus 4FLD by dt into 2g into a by ad into omega r by pi whole square plus 1 by 2g into a by ad omega r by pi whole square. Here putting the values, Hd is 12 plus 4 into 0.01 into 2 by 0.1 into 2 into 9.81. Area is 0.01767 by 0.00754 into pi into 2 whole square. This is 0.15. 0.15. R is 0.15. Plus 0.065 plus 0.058. Here in this question, the value of R is 0.15. So each and every place we have to take the value of R as 0.15. So this comes 12 plus 0.0458 plus 0.065 plus 0.0058. So this comes 12.116 meter. we have to solve similar type of questions. Thank you.